Welcome back to The Close. I'm Scarlet Fu.
And I'm Romaine Bostic. Definitely Friday vibes here, at least in studio. So in the Dow, down on the day and on the week. Your 10-year camped out around 4.4. And I guess if you are bullish on the crypto space, Scarlet, you got to be happy with what you saw this week. Not a whole lot of activity in Bitcoin, but the idea that it's holding at that $100,000 level, key for a lot of folks.
Above that $100,000 level. And maybe that's boosting MicroStrategy, but there's also some other developments at play here, too, because MicroStrategy and Palantir are reportedly some of the names that will be added to the NASDAQ 100 by the NASDAQ as part of its annual reshuffling. At least that's according to the economists and analysts over at Bloomberg Intelligence. So those stocks moving higher in trading today, despite the overall unchanged nature of the S&P 500. Lamb Weston gaining almost 7% on the day on a report that cereal maker Post Holdings is working with investment banks to look into a way to buy the frozen French fry maker. Of course, Lamb Weston under a lot of pressure from activist investors Jamma Partners. And Broadcom, the big winner of the day, up 24%, now has a $1 trillion market cap, following in the shadow of NVIDIA, after predicting a boom in demand for its AI products, specifically 65% growth in AI product sales this quarter alone. So that brings us to our top story this hour. Chip-related names, clearly the bright spot in an otherwise meh day and down week for equities. Companies are tripping over each other to position themselves as beneficiaries of the AI spending frenzy, whether that's making parts to build out data centers or creating agents to handle multi-step tasks or providing the electricity to power large language models to sift through text and create new content. As investors continue to search for potential winners, we'll also look at the other side, AI's error rates and the rising costs of that, too.
Yeah, we're going to talk to Jenna.
Just yet. We wouldn't want to pay for this. We're excited that you brought this out, but we're not quite there yet.
Personal income and spending as well. We'll have a full breakdown of all of those events next week right here on The Close. We appreciate you watching. For all your politics coverage, we want you to stick around. Joe Matthew and Kaylee Lyons are coming up next on Balance of Power.